question is, how much per day can you earn mowing? So my number is going to be based on what I see. Lawns priced kind of at the higher end of the market. We're not the cheapest, we're probably not the most expensive, but we're definitely 80-90% kind of towards the higher end. We've found that one guy mowing lawns 8 hours per day with Exmark 30-inch mowers can do right around $750 worth of work. Of course, if you're willing to work 11, 12 hours, it could be closer to 1,000, but a reasonable, normal day, one-man crew, about 750. If you bump it up to a two-man crew, the 750 isn't going to double up to 1,500. There's going to be more drive time. There's going to be more time for the guys to have to just get chatty with each other and waste time. There's going to be more time with them checking their phones. There's two guys instead of one that might need to go to the bathroom. Instead of it going 750 to 1,500, it's more like two guys is about 1,350. And so basically the less guys you have on a crew, the better as far as efficiency goes. We have on occasion thrown a third guy on a crew, and it was really inefficient. Let's say two guys can get 25 lawns done. We added a third guy, and it only went up to like 29 or 30. So it was unless you're doing huge commercial jobs where you're only doing 4 or 5 jobs a day, or you're on the property half the day, stick to two-man crews. And if possible, if you have lots of small jobs, even one-man crews are going to be really efficient. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this or anything else lawn care related, and I'll try to give my input.